Onsra LR. The Onsra LR electric skateboard is a masterpiece of engineering that takes urban commuting and leisure rides to an entirely new level. This sleek board is powered by a high-performance dual motor system capable of reaching speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest electric skateboards available today. With an extended battery range of up to 35 miles, it ensures you can ride further without worrying about running out of charge. The LR features an advanced suspension system and large all-terrain wheels, enabling smooth and stable performance on city streets, bike paths, and even gravel trails. Its carbon fiber deck is not only durable but also lightweight, providing both strength and portability. Gaia Cycle City Coco 701. The Gaia Cycle City Coco 701 combines style, power, and practicality into a sophisticated electric scooter built for urban mobility. Powered by a robust electric motor, it offers a top speed of 40 miles per hour and an impressive range of up to 60 miles on a single charge. This scooter stands out with its wide, thick tires, which provide excellent stability and shock absorption, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride even on uneven terrain. The ergonomic seat and spacious footrest add to the rider's comfort, making it ideal for longer journeys. The City Coco 701 is designed with convenience in mind, featuring an easy-to-read digital display that shows speed, battery life, and other key metrics at a glance. LED lighting ensures visibility and safety during nighttime rides, while its eco-friendly operation contributes to reducing urban air pollution. Say Yeah H10. The Say Yeah H10 electric moped is a compact and efficient vehicle that packs a surprising punch for its size. Designed for short commutes and city errands, this moped is powered by a high-efficiency motor that delivers a top speed of 20 miles per hour. Its lightweight frame and compact dimensions make it exceptionally maneuverable in congested urban areas, and its range of up to 15 miles per charge is ideal for daily use. The H10's thoughtful design includes an adjustable seat, wide handlebars, and intuitive controls, ensuring a comfortable and user-friendly experience for riders of all ages. Safety is a top priority, with front and rear disc brakes providing reliable stopping power in all conditions. The moped also features a convenient storage compartment for carrying essentials, adding to its practicality. S-Raider LW. The S-Raider LW redefines off-road exploration with its rugged design and powerful performance. This electric four-wheeler is built to tackle challenging terrains like sand dunes, forest trails, and rocky paths, offering an adventurous alternative to traditional all-terrain vehicles. It is powered by a high-torque electric motor that delivers a top speed of 28 miles per hour and a range of up to 25 miles, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who value both power and sustainability. The S-Raider LW features a durable yet lightweight frame, allowing it to maintain agility while withstanding the rigors of rough trails. Designed for standing operation, this vehicle provides unmatched control and maneuverability, giving riders the confidence to explore off the beaten path. Yamaha Wolverine RMX 4000. The Yamaha Wolverine RMX 4000 is a powerful off-road utility vehicle that combines rugged capability with luxurious comfort. At its heart is a 999 cubic centimeter engine that delivers exceptional torque and acceleration, making it perfect for climbing steep hills, plowing through mud, or tackling rough trails. This four-seater UTV is designed to handle the most challenging environments with ease, thanks to its advanced suspension system, heavy-duty tires, and selectable drive modes. The spacious cabin offers premium seating, ample storage, and modern technology, including a digital dashboard and Bluetooth-enabled audio system. Safety features like reinforced roll cages and seat belts ensure peace of mind during extreme adventures. vehicles. Aptera Solar Electric Car. The Aptera Solar Electric Car is a groundbreaking vehicle that exemplifies the potential of sustainable transportation. Its ultra-aerodynamic teardrop shape and lightweight materials enable remarkable energy efficiency, with a range of up to 1,000 miles on a single charge. The car's integrated solar panels generate enough power for up to 40 miles of daily driving, allowing many users to avoid charging altogether for their daily commutes. This three-wheeled electric car is packed with innovative features, including autonomous driving capabilities, a futuristic digital dashboard, and voice-activated controls. Inside, the cabin offers a spacious and luxurious experience, with high-quality materials and ample storage space. Jetson 1. The Jetson 1 is an innovative personal aerial vehicle that brings the dream of flying cars to life. Designed for individual use, this electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft is powered by 8 powerful motors that ensure stability and precision in flight. With a top speed of 63 miles per hour and a maximum flight time of 20 minutes, the Jetson 1 is ideal for short-distance travel or recreational flying. Its lightweight aluminum frame and compact design make it easy to store and transport, while its intuitive joystick controls allow almost anyone to pilot it with minimal training. Safety is a priority, with features like obstacle detection, an emergency parachute, and triple redundant motors. Whether used for urban commuting or adrenaline-filled adventures, the Jetson 1 offers a glimpse into the exciting future of personal air mobility. Segway ZT3 Pro. The Segway ZT3 Pro is a sleek and modern electric three-wheeler that merges style, practicality, and eco-friendliness. Its powerful motor enables a top speed of 25 miles per hour, while its long-lasting battery provides a range of up to 60 miles per charge, making it an excellent choice for urban and suburban travel. The ZT3 Pro's compact yet spacious cabin features a weather-resistant design, allowing riders to travel comfortably in all seasons. The vehicle is equipped with a digital dashboard, smartphone connectivity, and advanced safety features such as anti-lock brakes and stability control. With its smooth handling and stylish design, the ZT3 Pro is an ideal solution for those seeking an efficient and sustainable way to commute without compromising on comfort or performance. Walk Car 2 Pro. The Walk Car 2 Pro is a revolutionary portable electric vehicle that combines convenience, portability, and functionality. Small enough to fit in a backpack, yet powerful enough to transport an adult, this innovative device offers a top speed of 10 miles per hour and a range of up to 7 miles per charge. Its intuitive controls allow users to steer and accelerate effortlessly, making it an ideal solution for quick commutes or short trips. The Walk Car 2 Pro's durable frame supports up to 265 pounds, while its compact design makes it easy to carry and store when not in use. Perfect for navigating crowded urban areas or campuses, this lightweight and eco-friendly device represents a new frontier in personal mobility. Furoraptor. The Furoraptor is a state-of-the-art electric folding bike designed to offer power, portability, and style in one package. Built with a lightweight yet robust aluminum frame, the Raptor can be easily folded for storage or transport, making it perfect for urban commuters and adventurers alike. Its powerful electric motor enables a top speed of 25 miles per hour, while its long-range battery provides up to 55 miles of assisted riding. The bike features advanced suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, and all-terrain tires, ensuring smooth and safe rides on various surfaces. With its sleek design, customizable riding modes, and smart connectivity features, the Furoraptor is an exceptional choice for those seeking a high-performance electric bike that doesn't compromise on convenience or style.